In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a black screen with a cursor on Windows. If you've ever faced the frustrating situation where your Windows computer starts up but leaves you with just a black screen with a cursor, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some straightforward steps to address this issue. First, let's start with a simple trick that might solve the problem quickly. Simultaneously press the Windows key, Ctrl, Shift, and B. This combination quickly resets your display driver, and you should hear a short beep along with the screen flickering momentarily. This action refreshes the graphics driver, and in many cases, this alone can resolve your issue. If your screen remains blank, don't worry. We can try a few more things. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete together. This should bring up the Task Manager menu. If the Task Manager appears, that's a good sign because it means your system is responsive. In this menu, you can restart processes that might be behaving unpredictably. Sometimes the black screen is due to a display mode that's not compatible with your current setup. To address this, press the Windows key plus P, then press P once more, followed by the Enter key. This action cycles through different display modes, such as PC screen only, duplicate, extend, and second screen only. This might bring the display back to a visible state if it was set to the wrong mode. In stubborn cases where the screen remains black, you may need to perform a hard reboot. To do this, hold down your computer's power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until it completely shuts off. Then, power it back on. This will force your computer to restart everything, including the hardware settings, which might resolve any temporary glitches. If these initial checks don't resolve the issue, you might need to access Safe Mode or Windows Recovery Environment, also known as WinRe. These modes help troubleshoot and potentially fix more complex software problems by starting Windows with a minimal set of drivers and services. Lastly, if all else fails and you're still stuck with a black screen, consider restoring the system to a previous working state using a restore point. If you have restore points enabled on your system, they can roll back changes that might have caused the issue. Alternatively, resetting the PC to factory settings is another option, with an option to keep your personal files intact. Hopefully, one of these steps has helped resolve the black screen issue. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful Windows troubleshooting tips.